Welcome back, students. In our today's class of International English Olympiad, we are going to discuss chapter 4 and chapter 3, that is nouns and pronouns. So, for nouns chapter, first let us know what is noun. Nouns are naming words. We have discussed in details about nouns in our previous classes, in our live classes, and recorded videos also. You can go and check there. Now, what is our first question? Our first question is fill in the blanks using given option to form a compound noun. So we are asked here to form a compound noun by choosing the correct word from the given options. Now before starting that, let us discuss what compound noun is. A noun is made of, a compound noun is made of two or more existing words like bookstore, bookshelf. Okay, so two or more words form a single noun, that is called compound noun. So let us begin with our questions. First question, press the dash alarm. I press the dash alarm. I see some spark in the circuit. So these four are our option. Our answer should be press the fire alarm, because the person who is the speaker, she or he can see some kind of sparking in the circuit, so he is asking to press the fire alarm. Okay, so this is again a compound noun, fire alarm. Parley is a, excuse me students. So for number 1, answer is fire alarm. Now Parley is a company, Parley is a dash company. Now what will be our answer? Parley is a confectionery company. Okay, Parley is a confectionery company. The room looked nice with dash paper. The room looked nice with what paper? Wallpaper. The room looked nice with wallpaper. Now question number 4. Rima gave me a dash made card. Rima gave me a dash made card. What would be the right answer? A handmade card. So some handmade, it is again a compound noun. Now I find the dash bank an ideal location for harboring imaginative ideas. I find dash bank. What bank? What bank should be the answer? I find the river bank. The side of the rivers are called river banks. So I find river bank. It is again a compound noun, an ideal location for harboring imaginative ideas. Now fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Question number B. So what we have to do here? We have to choose the suitable collective noun. Now what is a collective noun? Collecting noun suggests to the words where collection of things taken as a whole, a collection of thing, a group of thing. Okay, now yesterday I lost my, what would be the answer for 6? For 6, yesterday I lost my dash of key. For keys, what should be the collective noun? Yesterday I lost my bunch of keys. Okay, when we are talking about key, we should use bunch as a collective noun. Okay, now let us move to question number 7. She bought a dash of flowers on my birthday. So, what should we call flower in a collective form as a whole? A bouquet of flower. Okay, a bouquet of flowers on my birthday. The cheap addressed a dash of sailors. Sailors, what should we use with sailors when we are referring to a group of sailor? What should be what should a multiple sailor should be called together? Crew of sailor. The ship addressed a crew of sailor. Okay, Our school dash has a melodious singers. Our school dash has melodious singers. Our school choir has melodious singer. Choir means a group of singers. Okay. A bunch of a group of singers should be called choir. You can put a dash of tool in that box. You can put a dash of tool in that box. A set of tool. The answer should be a set of tool. Now question number 3. So we have completed compound noun, collective noun. We know what is a compound noun, what is called collective noun. Now let us move. What we have to do here, we have to choose the correct noun from the given option. Okay, so we have to choose the correct noun. For question number 11, television is a wonderful source of informative, informer or information. The answer should be the television is a wonderful source of information. Television is a wonderful source of information. Okay, now let us move to question number 12. The town was surrounded by dash, uh, darkly, darkness, dark. What should be the correct form of the noun that we should use here? The town was surrounded by darkness. Okay. Now let us move to question number 13. You can show a driving license to prove your identity, identifier or identity. What should be the correct form of the noun? You can show your driving license to prove your identity. We need a dash to help us understand this letter. It is written in Spanish. We need a translator. Now, question number 15. We are overwhelmed by his generally or generosity. We are overwhelmed by his generosity. Now, question number 16. How did the universe come into existence? Existing or existed? Existence. For 16, the answer would be option number B. Now let us move to our next portion. What we have to do here, we have to choose the correct noun or noun phrase from the given option. Okay, now question number 17. Hari's dash is my neighbor. Hari's dash is my neighbor. Here we have to choose a phrase. Okay, noun phrase. Hari is the head priest. What is his identity? He is the head priest. So Hari is the head priest, is my neighbor. Mr. Sehgal dash is moving out next week. Mr. Sehgal dash is moving out next week. For question number 18, the answer would be one of our neighbors. Mr. Sehgal, one of our neighbors, moving out next week. Now question number 19. Aman and Hardik dash have been chosen to represent the school in athletic. Now for question number 19, the answer should be Aman and Hardik, boys from my class, have been chosen to represent the school in athletics. The statement dash shocked everyone. For question number 20, the answer should be the statement that he died suddenly shocked everyone. So when we are choosing words more than 1, 2 words, 3 words, that is becoming a noun phrase. Okay. Now question number 21. Choose the countable and uncountable noun. What are countable noun? The things that we can count in cardinal or ordinal number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. that are known as countable noun, and things that are unmeasurable amount like sand, hair. You can't count hair, sand, those are uncountable nouns. So now let us start. For question number E, question number 21. There are dash fish in the pond. So we can count fish when they come to our house. We bought it from market, but when we are talking about fish in the pond or river, we can't really count them, the amount. So the answer would be there are plenty of fish. Okay, there are plenty of fish in the pond. Now question number 22. Dash oranges were added to the beverage. So the oranges are the amount of oranges that are added to the beverage can be easily counted. So for our question number 22, answer would be B, a few. We don't know the exact number, but a few would be the answer. 23. The postman put dash letters in the bag. The postman put many letters in the bag. The postman put many letters in the bag. I saw dash boys playing in the rain. I saw, the number is not mentioned here, so this will be uncountable noun. I saw some boys playing in the rain. Now question number 25. She uses only dash cooking oil in her cooking. She uses a very little amount of cooking oil in her cooking. Now the adjective section. Choose the correct option. So you have to choose the correct option to complete the sentences. For 26, I want dash milk for my coffee. I want dash milk for my coffee. I want some milk for my coffee. A dash of directors took the final decision. A board of directors, members of the board together, known as board members. Now question number 28. There is dash pressure on the team. There is dash pressure on the team. There is a lot of pressure on the team. Dash United Nations is an international. The United Nations is an international dash. So what would be the answer? The options are here. United Nations is an international organization. International organization. So for 29, answer would be B. Reena has good dash of this subject. Reena has good knowledge of this subject. Okay, with that we finish our chapter on noun. Now let us move to our next chapter, that is pronouns. Now what is a pronoun? We have discussed several times in our class. We have discussed about types of pronoun, what is pronoun. If you find any difficulty in understanding, you can refer to our previous videos. Here I am going to talk about the correct answers and little bit of discussion. Now what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun in some cases. Okay, now identify the type of underlined pronoun in the following sentences. So what we have to do? We have to identify. I can somebody help me with this heavy bag? So it is indefinite pronoun. Why? Because it is the person is asking for help from anyone. So it is not indicating definitely to someone. So it is indefinite pronoun. Now question number 2. These are my favorite cupcakes. So these that are used in demonstrative pronoun when you are referring to someone who are pointing to something. So the answer would be for question number 2, demonstrative pronoun. Why are you afraid of them? Why are you afraid of them? So here them is the underlined word. So them is personal pronoun. As we know, I, me, they, them, all are personal pronouns. Look over there. Those seats are yours. Look over there. Those seats are yours. Yours, mine, my, all of these are possessive pronoun. So our answer for question number 4 is possessive pronoun. Option number D. I gifted myself an expensive watch. I gifted myself. It is an expensive watch. So option number B, reflexive pronoun, because the subject is because the object is referring to the subject. The object is referring to the subject itself. So it is an reflexive pronoun. Now question number B. Fill in the blank with suitable personal pronouns. So we have to choose suitable personal pronouns to fill in the blanks. For question number 6, the teacher said to the class, when dash finish your work, please pass it to me. When you finish your homework, please pass it to me. For question number 7, I remember that dash bought the fruits from us. I remember that dash bought the fruits from us. They bought the food from us. Now question number 8. My father bought a laptop but dash is not working properly. For question number 8, the personal pronoun will be it. Okay, it is not working properly. Question number 9. Dash are studying science at the moment. We are studying science. So the personal pronoun here would be we. When the dog chased John, Dash ran as fast as he could. He ran. Who chased the dog? Who chased John? The dog. So who ran? He ran. So this is the personal pronoun. Now fill in the blanks with possessive pronouns. So what theirs, ours, mine, yours, these are possessive pronouns. So what we are given here? We are given here a sentence with a blank. Here from the option we have to choose the correct possessive pronoun that will go with that sentence. Okay. Now for question number C, C option, question number 11. This idea is dash, we thought of this. This idea is yours, we thought of it. Sorry. By mistake I underlined the number 12. No. This idea is that we thought of it. Okay, for 11, this idea is ours, we thought of it. These gloves are mine. These gloves are mine. Those are yours. This book is, for question number 13, this book is mine. Because possessive pronoun they have asked for. Question number 14. Don't touch it. It is his. Don't touch it. It is his. They have bought this house. Now it is. They have bought this house. Now it is theirs. Because they have bought it, it belongs to them. So it is theirs. Fill in the blank with reflexive pronoun. Now what we have to do for question number for option number D and question number 16, we have to fill in the blanks with reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now question number 16. They agreed among themselves that they would not okay, I just said the answer. They agreed amongst themselves that they would not tell anyone. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 17. You must explain dash more clearly. You must explain yourself more clearly. The boy locked dash in the room. The boy locked himself in the room. One must defend dash against bullies. One must defend oneself against bullies. Question number 20. The princess saw dash in the mirror. The princess saw herself in the mirror. Now fill in the blank with distributive or reciprocal pronoun. We have discussed this distributive and reciprocal and all kind of pronoun in our classes, and you have these pronouns in your books also, so refer to them if you feel any kind of problem in understanding. Question number 21. Fill in the blank with distributive or reciprocal pronoun. Dash of the contestant will get the participation certificate. Okay, now the answer would be each of the contestant will get the participation certificate. Which flavor do you want in ice cream, vanilla or strawberry? Dash, I want butterscotch. Neither, I want butterscotch. So the person don't want either vanilla or strawberry, she wants butterscotch. What do you prefer, Kathakali or Bharatanatyam? I don't like any of them. Dash of them, I like contemporary dance forms like jazz. So our answer would be I don't like either of them. Question number 24. We give dash gifts during Christmas. We give each other gifts during Christmas. This apple is rotten, but the dash apples in the basket are good. Other apple in the basket are good. Question number 25, answer would be other apples. Now here fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronoun. What are interrogative pronouns? That forms a questions. Okay, like what, whose, whom, which, WH words. Okay. Dash did you consult regarding falling health? 26. Whom did you consult regarding your falling health? Question number 27. Dash is your seat, this or that? The option D. Which is your seat, this or that? Question number 28. Dash is the largest river. Which is the largest river? Answer would be option number D. 29. Dash would you prefer, Amul or Mother Dairy? So the answer would be which would you prefer, Amul or Mother Dairy? Dash is the name of your school. So answer would be what is the name of your school? Now question number 31. So we have to choose correct option and to complete the sentences. 31. Meetu congratulated the girl. Dash won the prize. Who won the prize? So for question number 31, answer would be who won the prize? Option A. If Dash wants that last piece of cake, I will have it. If no one wants to have. Okay, so answer would be no one. So question number 33. When I met Rajiv, I invited Dash to my house. When I met Rajiv, I invited him to my house. They Dash accepted their mistake. They Dash accepted their mistake. They themselves accepted their mistake. I will give this book to Dash later. I will give this book to you later. Okay students, with that we finish our chapter of pronoun also. Also chapter 4 and 5 is merged together in a video. In our next video we will discuss about verbs and adverbs.